Best deals.
1. Kadai. Tripoli stainless steel construction where the inner body is constructed using stainless steel, 360 degrees edge-to-edge induction base maximizes area for heating, suitable for all heat sources. Requires less oil while cooking, helping you prepare healthier and more nutritious meals for your family. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Saucepan. Ideal for a wide range of dishes, including biryanis, curries, stews, and rice, making it a versatile addition to your cookware collection. Even heating ensures uniform cooking by distributing heat evenly, reducing the risk of hot spots and scorching. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, quick heating of flavorful spices, and is also useful for melting butter or reheating small quantities of food. The extra thickness of the pans helps you cook without burning with minimal heat control. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pressure cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Supports even heat distribution and quick cooking. Fast heat transfer, cooks healthy and tasty meals in 20 minutes. Thus, saving time, gas and money for you. Effortlessly cook healthy dishes. Suitable for both gas and induction stove. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Oil strainer. Perfect for storing and reusing cooking oil while saving counter space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Container. It is made up of superior raw material with durability and heat-resistant ability which is friendly to the human body, has airtight seal with great elasticity, power locks tightly, it's microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Designed with air vents to preserve freshness and prevent moisture buildup. Ideal size for storing coriander, spices, and seasoning with ease. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Trolley. Stylish powder-coated red finish adds durability and rust protection to strong steel construction. Engineered with 4 durable wheels that smoothly support full LPG cylinders during movement. The raised ring frame keeps the cylinder securely in place. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dish drying mat. Engineered with high-density absorbent material, this mat quickly soaks up water drips from dishes, glassware, and utensils, keeping your countertops bone dry and preventing moisture buildup under your drying rack. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Frying pan. Crafted with precision, the Japanese-style non-stick pan ensures durability and longevity, providing a reliable cooking companion for your kitchen endeavors. The pan boasts a non-stick surface that effectively prevents food from sticking, reducing the need for excessive cooking oil. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tawa. Perfectly crafted for making traditional roti, chilla, dosa. This cast iron tawa is an essential tool for any kitchen. Its design ensures even cooking and a crispy finish. The hard anodized surface offers non-stick properties, making this dosa tawa ideal for low-oil cooking. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Frying pan. Crafted with tri-ply technology, stainless steel inner layer, aluminum core, and stainless steel outer layer for even heat distribution and superior durability. Naturally non-stick with proper seasoning and use, free from chemical coatings, making it safe for everyday cooking. Works perfectly on induction, gas, and electric stoves for versatile kitchen use. Built for convenience and durability, safe for metal utensils and easy to clean in the dishwasher. It allows dosas to be flipped easily. Metal spatula friendly and dishwasher safe, a premium cookware essential designed for performance, durability. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mini pot. Made with nickel-free stainless steel, the milk pan is completely safe for cooking, especially for preparing baby food. The use of thick aluminum core ensures fast and uniform heating. Perfect to warm milk, prepare soup, boil eggs, cook noodles, melt butter, rustle up tadka for dal, and much more. Its compact size makes it ideal to prepare baby food, reheat leftovers, or prepare food for a single serving. This stainless steel cookware doesn't impact the flavor of food as it doesn't leach off any metallic properties into food. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil sprayer. Filling this versatile oil spray bottle with your favorite oils, sunflower oil, vinegar, soy sauce, lemon and lime juice, sherry or masala wine. It can be widely used for salad making, cooking, baking, roasting, grilling, frying, BBQ and so on. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dish drainer. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Chopper. Smart design with an inbuilt container for effortless food prep. Advanced sliding technology, unique food holder that moves on track for extra comfort and safety. Heavy duty, rust-resistant blades that withholds sharpness for long. Diverse and detachable blades, 5 different options: V-slicer, wavy slicer, julienne, two-way julienne and a fine shredder for variation in chopping and cutting. Perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Easy, mess-free grating, perfect for cutting, slicing, shredding and chopping fruits, vegetables and more. The grater can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. An innovative kitchen tool that features an inbuilt container, unique food holder that moves on the track and makes grating food 100% mess-free and effortless. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Container. The inbuilt vacuum pump mechanism is patented and manually operated, easy to use. Just a few pushes to the pump and you are set. Pump out the air and keep the food from getting oxidized. This not only removes the oxygen, thus stopping the process of oxidation that breaks down food nutrition, but also kills off any aerobic bacteria that may cause damage to the food and make it unfit for use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cookware. The absence of any chemical will ensure that there is no release of any toxic or harmful fumes during cooking. The induction base with smaller perforation boosts faster cooking while helping you have lower electricity consumption on induction cooktops. Extra durable tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, thus keeping the flavor and moisture in. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Strainer. Perfectly designed with flower pattern, it made your kitchen feel cute and lovely, perfectly fit for pretty house mama. It will make you a good feeling whole day. Ergonomic design slot holes that trap food debris, prevent clogging, and drains water easily. Petals won't fade, stain or decolorize. Just wash and rinse with hot or cold water. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container. Designed with versatility in mind, this 1.1-liter container is ideal for storing and pouring various liquids. It's particularly well suited for refined oil, mustard oil, or other liquid essentials in your kitchen, offering a convenient and mess-free dispensing experience. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Strainer. Perfect for being used to wash pulses, rice, vegetables, fruits etc. Fine drainage holes and designed specifically for easily filtered water, convenient and practical. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric rice cooker. Consistently delicious rice and professional grade quality. Intelligently convenient, designed to cook good meal that is both tasty and healthy for your loved ones as just a few buttons away. Features an energy-saving smart algorithm that automatically detects the grain type and internal temperature and automatic keep warm mode, effectively taking the guesswork out of perfectly cooked rice. Featuring a non-stick inner pot with superior coating, detachable inner lid and excess water drainage tray. For best tasting rice and hygiene, occasionally remove detachable lid and clean it. Equipped with a stainless steel lid that locks in moisture and nutrients while allowing steam to escape, enhancing the taste and texture of your meals. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Square Basket is designed to help you keep your refrigerator tidy and organized. With a set of transparent baskets, you can easily store and find your fruits, vegetables, and other food items. Innovative and attractive products and superb quality, it's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cutter, 100% safe and BPA-free material for ease of use and durability. Rust-resistant and sharp blades, stainless steel blades. Advanced push technology for professional and uniform results every time. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Works 10 times faster than regular knives, perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Perfect to chop and dice a wide range of fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. Has 2 sharp stainless steel blades for thick and thin slices, cubes and wedges. The dicer can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Make food preparation a breeze with this innovative dicer that features advanced push technology for consistent and easy dicing or cutting food into small cubes. This smart kitchen gadget is perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. The dicer features 2 different types of blades to bring variation in cutting. Apart from dicing, you can also use the dicer to cut and julienne vegetables, fruits, cheese, herbs, nuts and more. The dicer, which can effortlessly perform the task of multiple kitchen tools at the same time, works 10 times faster than regular knives, saving your time and making cooking less tedious. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Oil extraction. No need to heat the ingredients separately, can be directly pressed. Pressing 10 kilograms of raw material requires only about 1 kWh. Stainless steel oil press stick, screw type working, cold, hot pressing for your need, flip type cover of the pressing barrel, much easier to clean. Full auto oil press machine, 1 key intelligent control with smart voice prompt. It will auto stop after finishing. Fully automatic oil press, no need to install, easy to clean, old people and children can also easily operate. Electric oil expeller, suitable for oil presser, good helper for home use or business use, give you a health and nutritive life. This oil press machine can work with most kinds of oil seeds including peanut, sesame, coconut, castor, hemp seed, canola, sunflower, flax seed, walnut, soybean. Extract fresh cold pressed oil daily using traditional slow press technology that retains nutrients, aroma and taste. Ideal for health-conscious families who want complete control over what they consume. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Washing machine. This product comes ready to use and does not require installation or demo. All product features are presented in the user manual that comes with the product. Dryer can dry up to 30 to 40%. This can help you to maintain hygiene for the baby's clothes. This will also save the time as it takes only 15 minutes for this machine to wash the clothes and 5 to 6 minutes to spin the clothes. Portable, lightweight, enabled with thermostat to save your motor from overheating. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Ice maker machine. It combines self-cleaning feature and has a drain plug at the bottom for easy removal of unused water. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in around 6 to 9 minutes and can produce up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours. The indicator on the portable ice maker will alert you when the basket is full, and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. All you need to do to make ice is add water and turn on the switch. It has a transparent window, so you can easily watch the ice being made. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Juicer. Made from impact-resistant ABS plastic that is BPA-free for safe and reliable use. All parts are detachable for thorough washing. While the juicer's parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, the suction base should be hand-washed and towel-dried. Incorporate more vegetables and wheatgrass into your diet easily with this manual juicer, supporting a healthier lifestyle. Its compact design makes it easy to store, pack, and carry, ideal for outings and picnics. The juicer is manual, simple to use, and effortless to clean. Suitable for all fruits: watermelon, apple, orange, pomegranate, grapes. The anti-drip system inside the juicer is made up of high-quality plastic. It supports in the squeezing of fruits and keeps it hygienic. The handy juicer comes with an anti-skid base which creates vacuum while in use and prevents it from moving back and forth during extraction of juice. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cookware. Works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves. With 4-layer Enviromax enamel-coated cast iron, it resists rust, handles high heat daily use, and maintains its stunning finish for years to come. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Citrus Press Juicer. Features a large 1L capacity, ideal for preparing fresh orange, mosambi, lemon, and other citrus juices for the whole family. Equipped with efficient two-way rotation and multiple cone sizes, extracts more juice from both small and large citrus fruits with minimal effort. Adjustable pulp control lets you enjoy smooth or pulpy juice, just the way you like it. Product link is given in the 30th link.